Alright, you guys, you ready to tell this story? Okay, so what story is about? We're gonna tell the ghost engine. A ghost engine? Do you hear the new story of Timothy? Who's Timothy? The ghost engine. Let me tell you this. Once upon a time, there was a steam engine waiting at the docks to take his passengers home. He had a son St. Croix Thomas, and he had 6 small wheels, silver paint, and the number 0 on his sides. His name was Timothy. He was an old, new kind engine, with a bold smile and a link on the end of his mouth. All the passengers board on the coaches, and his driver called out, "Full steam ahead, Timothy." Sure thing, I buckle. And they steam off into the countryside. In the station, Pussy was carrying some freight carts and he was going up to the hill. Then there was a whistle. Whose whistle is that? Then Timothy was climbing up the hill with the coaches. Oh my gosh! What is that? Who the heck is that steam engine? Is that a steam engine like Thomas? I wonder whose name is. Oh my goodness! What was that? That was a train crash. In the snow at night. Timothy was carrying the coaches at the snow. He was trucking with them. In the morning, Edward was carrying the coaches. Then he was having so hard. Then carrying some coaches. Then Timothy arrived here. Then he was approaching at the station and finally stopped. Alright, Timothy, so what are you gonna do? Are you gonna show me respect? Yes! Are you gonna take your passengers home? Yeah! Are you gonna be a scrap? Nope. Well, anyways, goodbye. Well, that story sucked. Probably about Hangry didn't tell it right. Wait, it's all my fault. Yep.